the pail on her head, she'd skip down the lane, milking the cows, her joy was plain. Today at the market, I'll sell my milk. She thought of the profits, smooth as silk. A plump little chicken caught her eye. I'll buy it for eggs, oh my, oh my. As she daydreamed of dresses so lovely and fine, her pail tilted over, milk spilled like wine. Oh no, cried dear Molly, what have I done? Her dreams of the chicken had come undone. With an empty pail, she trudged back home, her heart feeling heavy as stone. What happened, my child? Her mother did ask. Oh, I was too busy to think of my task. You can't count your chickens before they hatch. Hold on to what's real, don't let dreams detach. Molly listened closely, her heart felt so light. She learned to be wise and keep her goals in sight. The next day she worked with focus and care. No more daydreams would lead her to despair. She bought a small chicken, so cute and so spry. With eggs from her hen, she'd let her dreams fly. Weeks passed like whispers, her plans coming true. With a bonnet and dress, her heart sang anew. I've learned to be grounded, to cherish my days. For dreams are quite lovely, but I'll work in wise ways. So remember, dear friends, as you laugh and you play, keep close to your heart what you have every day. For dreams can be sweet, but don't lose sight of the treasures around you, shining so bright.